They drew a line on land that wasn't theirs to split. They called it a solution. They called it democracy. But the ink was blood, and the silence was loud. Free Palestine, and the world just grows. Free Palestine, while the truth gets sold. They bury the footage, they're burying souls. Free Palestine, till the walls all fall. 1947, the gavel dropped in a foreign hall. Partition plan, they carved the map, watched the people fall. The United Nations penned a script, made refugees of families. Olive groves turned to ash, keys still hanging on canopies. They called it independence, we call it Nakba, catastrophe. Villages erased, names that textbooks never let you read. Deir Yassin's ghost still whisper through the lemon trees. 76 years of a wound that never gets to breathe. And the headlines twisted conflict like both sides equal, but one's got F-35s, the other throws a stone at a steeple. History written by the tanks that roll through kids' dreams, and every ceasefire's just a pause between the screams. Free Palestine, and the world just grows. Free Palestine, while the truth gets sold. They bury the footage, they're burying souls. Free Palestine, till the walls all fall. I've seen their anchor look away, adjust his tie and change the story. Civil unrest, no, it's phosphorus raining glory. Every channel's got the same memo. Sanitize the gore, call it casualty, not father splattered on the floor. Sabra, Shatala, Jenin, massacres they rebrand them on a dog in Tel Aviv and spit on Gaza's land. Embedded journalists sipping lattes while the snipers aim. And if a child dies, they'll say caught in crossfire, what a game. But the algorithm feeds the cute cat, not the limbless mother. And any voice that speaks too clear gets shadow banned and smothered. Hypocrisy's a thick glass screen, you can't scratch it with the truth. They'll post a black square for one trend, then fund a booth that pulls the trigger on the medic shells. The school and mosque or talking heads debate if rights apply on someone else's block. Free Palestine, and the world just grows. Free Palestine, while the truth gets sold. They bury the footage, they're burying souls. Free Palestine, till the walls all fall. Now let's talk about the dungeons. They don't let the Red Cross see, where prisoners are stripped of names, humanity, and dignity. Interrogation rooms that smell of burned skin and despair. And the crime is being Palestinian, breathing occupied air. Children dragged from beds, prosecuted in military courts. And the silence in the global press is violence of a different sort. Rape used as a weapon behind steel doors. No camera shows while leaders shake the hand and sign the order under rose. They lecture us on morals, on democracy and light, but don't ask what happens when the door locks at night. The same world that boycotted apartheid's regime now boycotts the boycotter and erases the scream. Hypocrisy, the currency of empires in decline. They'll write your name as terrorists for holding up a sign. So many resolutions, so many broken vows, so many moving funerals, so many silent crowds. But the wind of the intifada is more than just a stone. It's the firmness of the rooted, the seeds of the unknown. They can kill the bearer, they can torch the olive grove, but they'll never kill a story that the storytellers wrote. One day the cameras fade and the flags come down, and history asks who stood their ground. Not who followed orders, not who played pretend, but who still spoke truth when the world bent. Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
ضجيج الحديد، والأرض تعرف وهلها رغم كل الوعيد، والعدل آتي والوعد ليس ببعيد.